So let's talk about 5 major benefits with SoftWave. Number 1, it reduces inflammation and pain. So SoftWave disrupts the inflammatory mediators and increases local blood flow. And this result is a measurable drop in inflammation, which decreases stiffness and pain. And many patients notice improved range of motion after the first session or even the second session. Number 2, it stimulates regeneration of cartilage and soft tissue. So SoftWave's acoustic pulses create controlled microstimulation in arthritic tissue, and this does 2 things. It activates the mesenchymal stem cells that reside in bone marrow and soft tissue. These stem cells migrate to the damaged joint where they help repair cartilage, ligaments, and synovial tissue. It also increases growth factors that improve vascularization and nutrient delivery, supporting long-term joint recovery. And number 3, it improves joint lubrication. SoftWave enhances synovial fluid production, the body's natural joint lubricant, making motion smoother and less painful. This is particularly helpful for patients with knee, hip, shoulder, or spine arthritis, where dry joints cause grinding and stiffness. And number 4, it enhances circulation and oxygenation. Because SoftWave boosts microcirculation, it helps wash away inflammatory waste products and improves oxygen delivery to the tissues. This oxygenation is key to restoring normal metabolism and halting further degeneration. Number 5, it trains the nervous system to turn down pain. SoftWave therapy helps reset pain signaling pathways in the brain and the spinal cord, and this neuromodulation reduces chronic pain sensitivity, allowing better movement and exercise tolerance, which is critical for joint health. So if you're looking for answers, reach out to us to see how we can benefit you with our SoftWave device, but not only just our SoftWave device, by our doctors and our technicians who are trained with the variety of protocols and advanced protocols as well. Once again, I'm Dr. Omar Clark at Experience Health and Wellness Center here in Cape Coral, Florida, where we keep you anchored in your health.